Delilah. Nice. Come here. Hey, stop that. Don't get me. I won't. Hi, Mama. Delilah. Hey. What are you doing? I want to see if I can get her snorting. Come here, Mama. Oh, hi, baby. Hi. Oh, yeah, you got a hard life. Look at those little chops. You smile for your grandma? Yeah. What? She's posing. It's her glamour shot.
Like her centerfold.
That's her centerfold. Good girl. And she's gonna go to sleep. Oh.
Sleeping? Delilah.